Today we're gonna discuss 4 altcoins that have a good potential to grow at least 3 times in April. I will also show you several undervalued altcoins that haven't gone up yet. As you know, the altcoins' prices are highly dependent on the behavior of Bitcoin. During the last month, the Bitcoin was going sideways near its highs. Maybe it will grow a little higher now, but most likely it's going to continue going sideways, where liquidity will move into altcoins. The first altcoin is Arbitrum, and the interesting fact is that on March 16th, it unlocked coins equal to 40% of its entire market capitalization, almost $2 billion. If Arbitrum was a Tier 3 project, the funds would have sold almost $2 billion worth of tokens, and considering the market capitalization of Arbitrum, which is $4.5 billion, it would mean that the price would fall by 90% and the project would just scam. But you should understand that Arbitrum is currently the leader among Layer 2 solution projects. For this, let's analyze the development of its ecosystem. There are many protocols coming out on Arbitrum network, and also Arbitrum's TVL continues to grow and it's above $3 billion. And its network is in the 5th place among others. So, why do I expect Arbitrum coin to go to the moon this month? If we open the chart, we can see that the token has been trading in a sideways movement of $1.7 to $2.2 in recent months. And recently there was an overall altcoin drop by an average of 20%. But before that, they pumped 3-4 times minimum. And Arbitrum during the year was in the accumulation zone where large players bought out the tokens from the market to control the entire emission. And now the token has only doubled up from its lows, while the Arbitrum ecosystem is doing quite well. It sounds weird. The fund and the team received a large number of unlocked tokens a couple of weeks ago, and now Bitcoin is going sideways near its highs. So, before the halving, liquidity should start going into altcoins to begin the local alt season. Now the Arbitrum price is 1.75, and that's 20% cheaper than its highs. I expect big players to take advantage of the fact that liquidity will move into altcoins and send Arbitrum to $4, and there it's gonna start going sideways where big players will fix their profit that was unlocked on March 16th, which is literally $2 billion. This is a common pattern where funds send the price to the moon, then after going sideways for a while, the price starts to fall due to the large volume of coin sales. If you liked the video, subscribe to the channel and please hit the like button to help me with the YouTube algorithm. The next altcoin is Pyth network. Pyth is a direct competitor of Chainlink. It's gonna triple up your money. Let me explain. Let's have a look at the tokenomics of the project. Among the Tier 1 funds that invested in the project are Multicoin Capital and Galaxy, and the crucial thing is vesting of tokens. If we open the vesting schedule, we will see that on May 7th there will be another token unlock, and this time they unlock 1.5 times more tokens that are out on the market now. So now the capitalization of the project is $1.5 billion, and $2 billion worth of tokens are yet to be unlocked. Now the Pyth price is about $1, which is only twice as much as the listing price. The task of the market maker now is to send the token price as high as possible to attract people's interest, since the funds will have $2 billion worth of unlocked coins. But in order to sell them, they need buyers, in other words, liquidity. Now the volume of trading is not big, about $100 million. With such indicators, they will not be able to sell their tokens, and the only option is to create information hype around the project and send the price higher, so that by May 20th, the token's price will be considerably higher, and there will be a demand for it. I expect the token to grow to the zone of $2.5 to $3, and at these values in May, the funds will start fixing their profit. If the price reaches $3, the capitalization of the project will be $4.5 billion and will be in the top 30 coins in terms of capitalization. And I don't think that they will send the price higher by then. Also, I'd like to have these assets in the bull market. If you have Chainlink tokens, it would be beneficial to rebalance some of them into Pyth, because it's the same technology only with a smaller capitalization, and therefore with a higher probability of profit. If you want to see more of my investments in real time, be sure to subscribe to my Telegram channel, where I show you every single trade that I do every day. The link is in the description. The third altcoin that is expected to grow several times in April is dydx. It is a decentralized exchange that started operating at the end of the last bull market. Top funds such as A16Z, Polychain Capital, Paradigm, Electric Capital, and Dragonfly invested in dydx. The overall amount of investments is 87 million. If we look at the chart, we can see that the price of dydx was falling all the time and there was no sideways whatsoever, where funds could fix, and the token has been in the accumulation zone in the range of $1–4 for 2 years, where large players buy tokens to control the emission and can easily manipulate the price. It is also worth noting that the token's price was $3 during listing, and now the price is only 3.5. So, if you consider adding dydx to your portfolio and hold for the bull market, so go ahead. 3.5 is pretty favorable purchase price. After all, dydx is in the top 10 decentralized exchanges and has quite decent daily trading volumes, so there's every chance to take the leading position among decentralized exchanges in the bull market. Also an important signal that there will be manipulation of the token and will grow several times this month is the scheduled tokens unlock. On April the 1st, 140 million worth of coins will be unlocked, which is 13% of the market capitalization, and there will be similar unlocking on May the 1st, which means that 26% of the market capitalization will be unlocked during a month. And big players will not sell part of the tokens at values that have been holding for 2 years. I expect the token to rise at least to $10, and this is a very conservative estimate, and then the price will go sideways, where I fix part of my position, and I can't exclude the growth to $15. And on the bull market, I expect to see at least 20x gain from the current values. So the capitalization of this project is not that huge, and also it develops well, and most likely DEX will overtake centralized exchanges. The next altcoin is Atom, and it has only doubled up from its lows. Many projects from the previous bull market, such as DOT, have a problem that their ecosystem doesn't develop and new projects are not built on it. So the Cosmos blockchain doesn't have this problem. Only recently projects such as Celestia and dydx came out on Cosmos instead of Ethereum, and the capitalization of Cosmos projects overtakes the capitalization of Atom itself. The Atom token is highly undervalued in both short and long-term investments. The token has been in the accumulation zone for almost 2 years, in the zone of $6–15, and has never left it. Also, if we look at the tokenomics of the project, we can see that all Atom tokens are unlocked and are held by funds, and the total capitalization is about $5 million. I expect that this month liquidity will move from Bitcoin to altcoins, and first it goes to big projects. And Atom is a project which is in the top 30 in coin market cap, so I'm waiting for the token to grow to $25, and there I'll fix part of the position. But I will buy Atom coin every month for the next 6 months for an equal amount to have a better average purchase price. From Atom, I expect at least 15x from current values. Write in the comments which altcoins you think will show growth this month. Thanks for watching, I hope this video was helpful.